Hey there. So today I wanted to talk about meal times, and when you're learning to eat intuitively or find balance with food, you often have this diet mindset that tells you you have to eat at certain times. And the really cool thing is once you start to get to know the natural rhythms and routines within your body, you'll be able to hear when your body needs certain food and how much you need and what's going to work for you. And it's not coming from a place of being diety, it's coming from a place of trying to take care of yourself, okay? And listen to your body. So I have a quick story and then I'll share a tip and we'll be done. So my story is the other day I went to brunch with some friends and I got this egg sandwich. It sounded really good. It's what I was craving. And it came on this big croissant with cheese and eggs and some fruit on the side, and I had a coffee and stuff. So anyway, ate it. It was pretty good. Nothing too special. And like an hour later, I was starving and feeling just like blah and tired and wanted to lay down and take a nap. Now, I'm sure you're like, well, duh, you had a huge croissant and that's just not gonna sustain you. And what I think happens is that sometimes we think we have to honor the craving without thinking about the fact that it might not be super satisfying. So in the future, what I would do is I would have taken off half of that croissant and asked for some avocado to put on it, or maybe even ask for like an English muffin or something else that isn't just like the croissant. I know just went right through me, like the energy was just burned and gone and I was crashing. So anyway, so it's about making those adjustments, thinking about, yeah, I want to honor my cravings, but I also want to do something that's going to be right for my body and help me be satisfied so that I can go function and have energy and feel the way I want to feel. So what I started thinking about was about an hour later after I ate that breakfast was, oh my gosh, I'm starving, but I just ate. And diet me in the past would have said like, you can't eat, or if you eat now, that means that it's just gonna turn into like a binge because I would have ruined my rules for the day. And you need to eat a couple hours apart. And I just started thinking about how we can't get stuck on meal times. And if your body is telling you something, do your best to honor it, learn from it. So I learned from that experience or relearned something I already think I knew, but every day, every moment is trial and error. And so if your body an hour later is telling you to eat, give yourself permission to eat. If your significant other gets home at a certain time and they want dinner at that time, but you get home earlier and find that you need something bigger then, and then you're not really hungry for dinner, like just figure out those natural things. Don't try to fight it. Just hear what your body's saying and accept it. If you are pinpointing some of your hunger cues and understanding what you need and allowing yourself to eat, even if it's 15 minutes later, you are so much less likely, does that make sense, to overeat, to feel famished, to binge, to reach for sugar because you're getting to that point where you're feeling hollow and you're grumpy and whatever. If you listen to your body, and it will even itself out. You can't let the fear of weight gain or going back to those diet rules dictate how often you eat, what times you eat, how soon after a meal you eat. Every day, every meal, every snack is just another moment to learn about yourself and how your body functions best, right? And when we let our bodies function at their best, they get to a place where you're feeling that that healthy and fit way that you want to feel, which of course then goes along with how you want to look, even though it's not about that, but it all evens out, okay? So I wanted to share this quick video with you and also let you know that April 1st, so in just a couple days, we are starting the Finding Balance program as a group in a private Facebook group. So sign up for either the classic or VIP version of the Finding Balance program. The link is right down below. And you will get to join the group version, which means that the first 7 videos we'll do at the same time, in the privacy of your own home, and then we'll connect in the Facebook group talking about what we saw, what changed, what's helping us, what we need to keep working on, what's going well, what's not. It's like an accountability group that's really private and close-knit and all working on the same thing, working to move towards balance with food. So get yourself signed up and I will see you in the program. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.